So children, let's begin our today's EVS 1 period with lesson number 22, growth and personality development. Okay, growth, our physical growth, our growth in height and weight is said to be the growth. But what about personality development? How we can become a better person? That is related to personality development. Like when we think about Sachin Tendulkar, what kind of personality comes in front of us? A great batsman, isn't it? A great sports person. So that is related to personality. His personality is like that, isn't it? So that is about the personality development. So how we can have the better personality? Let's see. Skills and efficiency. So in this lesson we have to study about skills and efficiency. Just one example, we will see small babies, they only know how to cry and move their legs and hands, isn't it? They don't know anything else. But after some days, after a few days, they start to learn how to use their hands and legs. They develop control. Slowly they start taking certain baby steps, and after few days, few months, you will see that the small baby which used to only cry and which used to only move hands and legs now started crawling, and after some days, after crawling, the same baby starts walking, and after some days it starts running. That baby starts running, isn't it? So slowly that baby learns to have control over all its body movements, all its body parts. That baby learns how to have the control over its actions, control over its hands, legs, the overall coordination that baby learns, isn't it? So achieving control of one's movement to learn to do something new, it is called learning a skill. When you try to learn something new, it is called a learning a skill. Okay, but of course when you achieve control of all the movements to learn to do something new, like if you want to play any musical instrument, if you want to learn any musical instrument, suppose you have decided to learn tabla, so you need to have control over your hands, isn't it? So when you will have that control over hands and when you will start learning the tabla, that is said to be learning a new skill. Okay, that is said to be learning a new skill. Now what is the meaning of efficiency? Now when the baby, same baby, learns to do all the tasks without any mistakes, it is called efficiency, perfect. When the baby will start running, when that baby won't fall down while running or while walking, that means he's doing all the tasks very smoothly, very easily, without any mistakes. That is called perfect efficiency. When we will do our things without a single mistake, without any mistake, that is said to be efficiency, 100% perfect. That is the efficiency. Understood the difference between skill and efficiency? Skill, when you learn something new, that is called learning a new skill. But when you have a perfect control, when you do that particular thing without any mistake, that is called efficiency. Okay, children? Now let's learn something about the hereditary factors. Now you have very common traits, you have very common features with your parents. You know, many a times it is said like that, like we resemble our parents. Either we look just like our mother or father. You know, we have certain common things from our mother and father. So those common things or the common features which we get from our parents or from some other members of the family, like from our grandparents also, it is said to be the heredity. Okay, let's learn. So having certain features which are similar or common to our parents and other members of the family, it is called heredity. It could be from maternal uncle, paternal uncle, isn't it? It could be aunts from both the sides, from mother and father side. We have certain common things, we share certain common things with the members of the family and with our parents. जसे आपल्या घरातले काका, मामा, आत्या, मावशी यांच्याबरोबर सुद्धा, यांच्यातले सुद्धा काही काही कॉमन गुण जे असतात, दिसण्याच्या गोष्टी, त्या काही कॉमन गोष्टी आपल्यामध्ये सुद्धा असतात. इट इज कॉल्ड हेरिडिटी. ओके, हां. बट फॉर बेटर पर्सनॅलिटी वॉट यू नीड चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज अबाउट द physical growth, isn't it? The growth of your body, isn't it? The height and weight of your body, or the heredity related to your body. But what about personality development? How you can have a better personality? If you eat nutritious food, all the nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, if you get such good food, nutritious food, of course you will have a good personality, isn't it? You see, if your body is strong na, that creates a different impression on the others. It creates a very good impression. So the first thing to achieve good personality is the nutritious food. Exercise, of course, if you are doing regular exercise, your body will be strong and you can have a better personality. You know, your overall built up will look very different. It could be very it will have a very good impression on the others, isn't it? Avoiding addictions, of course, staying away from all the addictions, staying away from alcohol, from cigarette smoking. If we keep ourselves away from all these addictions, we can have a better personality. Developing hobbies, instead of having all these addictions, if we are engaged in all the hobbies, interest, whichever things we like to do. Someone likes to drawing, someone likes craft, to make various things, craft material, someone likes to sing, someone likes to play sports. So these are certain hobbies. So if we develops these hobbies, if we learn these hobbies, then definitely we can have a better personality. Participation in sports is very necessary, very important part of personality development, isn't it? Only sitting at home and not engaged in sports, not doing any sports, is always bad, isn't it? And learning new skills, you should always try to learn something new. See, every day no is a school period for us. Every day you should try to learn something new skill. So that will again add to your personality, that will also again make you a better person, isn't it? So that will develop the personality. So these are certain things which are associated with personality development. Okay, nutritious food, exercise, staying or keeping yourself away from all addictions, developing various hobbies, and participation in sports, and learning all the new skills, new things. Okay, understood the difference between skills and efficiency? Skills, when you learn something new, that is skill. But when you do the same thing without any mistake, it is called efficiency. Okay, children, so that's all for this short lesson, lesson number 22, growth and personality development. And after this, you will get the PDF, that is exercise of this lesson, which you will do it without fail.